Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching my daughter how to paint. Let's begin. Alright, and this is the car that she wants to paint. It's a Honda S2000. So I'm gonna teach her how to paint. She wants to paint her own car. I did remove the trunk lid because it had a couple of minor defects that we fixed, and she's gonna practice on that. So this is it, guys. This is the car. We don't know what color it's gonna go yet, but we're just gonna paint the trunk lid just the regular white that it has. That way we can go from there. Right here, this is the trunk lid. It had a couple of little minor defects, and we fixed them. So it's ready. We're not gonna paint the inside yet. Like I mentioned, this is not the color that this car is gonna be going, but we just want it all white for right now. So let me just mix up the sealer so that she can start. Let's see how she does. Whenever you're gonna start, never press the trigger when you're in the panel. If you do that, you're gonna start running it. So whenever you're gonna start, press it outside, go, let it go, press it, go halfway to where you did the other one. If you did the other one, this one, you're gonna go half. So that's it's called 50% overlap. So we're gonna go like that. Let it go, press it, let it go, press it, and you're gonna go all the way down. All right? Okay, try it. Let it go. Let it go. There you go. Try to keep the paint gun even with the panel. If you're going down here, angle the gun. That way you can just keep on going even with the panel. There you go. There you go. There you go. And the key is just to keep moving. Don't stop because you're gonna run it. Go. There you go. Perfect. Remember, start from over here and go. Don't start on the panel. And go all the way. All the way, there you go. Up, yeah. Over here. There you go. Yeah. That's it. Alright, this is the sealer. She did pretty good. It looks good. She did have to go a couple of more passes on the top. Let's see how she does in the paint. Let's mix it up, start painting. There we go. Halfway. There we go. Alright, here is the first pass. So far so good. Let's wait those 10-15 minutes for it to dry, then we'll come back and apply 2 more coats. She has given it 3 coats of the base. Now we're gonna wait 15 minutes for it to dry. Use a tack rag, clean it up. Then we'll come back, start applying 3 coats of the clear. All right, first coat of clear. Now, she thought she was gonna run it, but it looks good. It looks really good. So let's wait those 15 minutes, come back and apply 2 more coats. There we go. One more in the bottom. Here it is, guys. There it is. For being her first time painting, she did really good. There it is. All right, guys, this is gonna be it. Teaching my daughter how to paint cars. Now, I hope you guys picked up some tips and tricks along the way. Also, hit that thumbs up. It helps a lot, guys. Let's try to reach that 200,000 subscriber mark. And hope you enjoyed it. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Like always, have a great week. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. And God bless.